What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog on my channel. Today babe's getting a service and we're doing that not in a shop, we're doing that at a friend's home, because Erhan allowed me to film what he's doing to the car, because I never did that before, and he's going to show me everything, show me how it's done, show me how to change oil, change all the filters, change the brakes, and what's left to do for the full big service. So yeah, we're just gonna go there now and let's see how it works. Probably it's getting dark soon, because it's already late in the evening, and yeah, but we got flashlights and stuff, so it should go well. It should.
Starting off with the brakes, we began removing the bolts holding the caliper together with the pads. The brake pads clearly were in need of replacement. After a quick check if the new disc share the same size as the old, we started putting everything back together. A quick reminder from Erhan right there, always use brake mounting paste to keep the pads smooth and prevent corrosion. The bolts holding the pads in the right place really saw better days before, since they were not very easy to either get out or getting back in. In such a case, you should get new bolts for the next time working on your brakes. Now that one side was done, we simply repeated the process on the other. The brakes in the back, by the way, weren't in the need of replacement. After getting dark outside, we continued the service with an oil change, replacing the old filter with a new one, changing the intake filter and also the one inside underneath the dash. The part that was most time consuming was the replacement of the spark plugs, with being dark outside making it not really easier than it would have been before. A quick clean of the engine, a quick check for the oil, and the self-service was done. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, give me a like and subscribe right here if you're new to the channel. Next up is myself changing the brake fluid in the shop where I make my internship I told you about in the last Need for Speed video. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.